Alright, this is going to be a video of this 52-inch Hunter Westminster ceiling fan. This is installed in the den at my grandma's house. Alright, I'll pick up the phone and give you a closer look at it. Alright, here's a better view. It's got really nice shades. It's got triangle vents. There's the Hunter logo. The blades are reversible oak to cherry blades. Yeah, it's pretty dusty. There's a top shot of the fan. Alright, I will place the phone back down. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it for you. Here's the light. Here's low. And this fan is pretty wobbly. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera or not, but it's starting to wobble. Yeah, I think it increased a little more. Maybe you guys can see it better, I don't know. Here's medium. Alright, here's high. Alright, thanks for watching.